Canva t-shirt design. Hello, my name is David Isamuji. Welcome to another episode of Canva t-shirt design. I'm your host David, and I'm the founder and owner of What a T-shirt Design. If you're just joining for the first time, please, I will beg you from beginning, don't click off. You guys, please don't click off. My subscribers don't click off, and they tend to message me at the end that they were glad they didn't click off at the end. So please don't click off. Always learn to watch my tutorial from beginning to the end. At some point it might be boring, but you'll notice when you start to design that at some point you just want to be quiet, but you are still passing out the useful tips and information needed. So please, I beg you, don't click off. Always learn to watch my tutorials to the end. You will surely gain from it. Secondly, I want to ask if you guys are safe. Please stay safe, stay indoor for the meantime. It will soon be over. I have that feeling it will soon be over. So please, let's stay indoor for the meantime. So without wasting much of your time, we're going to go straight into the design. So I'm first going to go to where I'm getting the elements, flat icons. If you've been following me, you should know that already. I get my element from flat icon. This one is going to be a poppy. It's going to be a poppy themed t-shirt. Going to be a poppy themed poppy. Going to be a poppy. It's going to be a poppy themed t-shirt. So I'm going to be doing something super quick. It's not going to be more than 10-15 minutes. It's not going to be more than 10-15 minutes. So if this is something you're interested to watch, please stick around. So we'll just find like this. This is one. So we're gonna download this. Remember to always give credit for this. This smash icon is the creator, so you make sure you can see smash icon. Always give credit in your design. So download this. Download that. We'll download that. Then we'll go back and look for another one similar to that. Okay, let's just scroll. We'll find more. We need about 3, so just keep scrolling. Just keep scrolling to find more. I like this, but it's a paid one, so as you can see it's paid. I can't make use of that. So I'll just keep scrolling till I find the 3 I want to use. Super easy. It's supposed not get complicated with your designs. Just super easy designs. Don't get complicated with it. Just super designs. Super easy designs. This. Let's save this. Free Pick is the creator of this, so always give credit. Always learn to give credit. So sorry about that. We'll find one more. And we're good to go. Just find one more. This seems to be good. We'll just use this. Download that. This is from Doris Den. You can see it from Doris Den. Always make sure you give credit. So now we're done with this. We'll just move on to the next stage, which is to open canva.com. Canva.com is what I use. I also use Photoshop. If you check my channel, you also see I use Photoshop. If you want to know, I do most of my designs from scratch. You want to see the back end, every single thing. You want to get one-on-one with me. You want to ask me personal questions. Feel free to join my Patreon. It's the first link in the description. I don't plan on selling any course to you guys. I really don't plan. It's just a way to support the channel so that I can keep on releasing content daily. I release content daily. Most channels don't do that. I release content daily. I put in myself for you guys where you guys can learn fast. So that's the best way you can help me. Just put in myself. So this is the standard 4500 by 5400 pixel. You create new, opens on a new tab. So now we'll just go in and load our designs. Scroll to where it says upload. Where it says upload image. Go to downloads. Just find them. Copy. We'll just load them. So you see the three of them are loading, so we'll wait for them to load. Oops, this one was not supposed to be. Yes, delete that. I'll bring in the last one. Okay, getting that dog. So this is it, so I'll just bring that in. So now we'll just take them and bring them into this Canva. 1, 2, and 3. So now what am I going to do? You ask. I'll show you now. So I'll bring this down, This is the way I want the design to be. So I'll take this up a little. You can see. Then for this, just bring this up a little. This is for the puppy lovers. You just take this and put it down here. And we can get rid of that. So now we're left with these two. And now we just click on save. Remember, we're using the free Canva. We're using the free version of Canva. If you want to get the pro, you need to pay for it. But if you stick around, I'm going to show you how to do it for free. For those of you that know how to do it for free, I'll still advise you watch all my videos because you don't know what might come differently. As you can see, just about 7 minutes in. So just download this. Should be downloading here. So now this is getting downloaded. So click on show folder just to make sure we really have it downloaded. So now we'll open in Photoshop. So please, if you've not subscribed, for those that have been asking me why my subscriber account was private, well, you can see it now. You guys have been claiming I'm doing a wonderful work. I'm giving you and passing good information. I should not leave my subscriber account private for some issues. So I've listened to your request. My subscriber count is showing now. So please, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. If you think I'm doing a good work, please subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate you. So now you click on this folded paper, forms another layer. You click on layer 0, come over to this magic tool and just click on it once and click on the white space to get rid of the white background. Click on delete on your keyboard. Now we have just our design. So now we just go and save this as Puppy. Save as pictures. Go to pictures and save it as Puppy. PNG. Always make sure you save it as PNG because you don't want the white background. So always make sure you save it as PNG. You can see just about 9 minutes 40 something seconds. It's not complicated. Your design is simple. It's ready for you to use. So to your right, you see my playlist. Make sure you watch those playlists. and watch other videos if you want to know how to place your design on 3D mockups like the ones you see on my channel, like the ones you see right here. If that's what you want to learn how to do, how to put it on mockups like this, please make sure you watch my other videos to see that, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Have a lovely day.